Okay, I chose FreeRice for my final one. It's pretty easy. The kids like to go to it. It's supposedly you are able to donate rice to underprivileged countries as you go through the different levels. So I'm just going to already logged in as me. As you see, it pops up usually global stats, and then it says incomplete meanings would be grateful, connected, unfinished, or triumphant. So what is an incomplete meaning? So that would be unfinished, of course. My students like this, and I think it's very beneficial for the students, and they can do this at home. They can do it in the car if they have unlimited data. And if you go over here to the 3 lines, you can look at your categories. And it has all different kinds of categories to help students in learning things. It has things about different countries, has art and culture, paintings, geography, history, English, of course. And since I'm limited on what I can do in my special education class on English stuff, this is a great way. So let's just click on here on the grammar real quick. And of course it brings up the category and it asks them which is correct. She rode her bike and went fast. She rode her bike and goes fast. So I say that, which is correct. But if they get it wrong, which is correct? The trees are green. The trees is green. So if they got it incorrect, it just shows them that it's incorrect. And then if they have questions, then they can ask me about it. So going back to the different categories, there's difficult levels, challenges, you can be groups, all kinds of things. It also, down there in the English part, which again I really like, it has spelling. And then it says, I like to go fishing in the, so which one is it? C, 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 or C? And of course then they have to pick the correct C. Again, this is a really great tool. As you can see, I've already earned 20 grains of rice. And it is user-friendly. The kids can log into it. They use their Google Classroom login, so that way they are able to do that. And there's just all kinds of things. And I encourage them to just look around, click around in there, and see what all they can find, see what all they can do. And just, I think it's more than killing time. It gives them what they need. And going back into the category, down past the English part, then there's languages, Spanish, Latin. Then of course we have the math part. And then we have earth science. And then other things like, global goals, climate action, healthy eating, and sometimes we go through this as a group. We all click on the same one, and then we discuss it as it goes. In the math part, it gives us basic math, geometry, and multiplication tables, which, as I've shared before, a lot of my students are low in mathematics. And so besides using the extra math and worksheets and iReady, we use this to help them along with the multiplication. iReady, of course, costs, and the school has its own account. So it's not free. But these are all free, and parents can get on. Parents can help their students. The students have a good time navigating and showing their parents exactly what this is all about. So give it a try. Enjoy.